All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my soon-to-be Grail Chorizo Stitch and Pitch no box. We'll check the time, August 25th at, we'll let this roll over here to 9:55 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have August 25th at 9:55 p.m. There's the list of our 35 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Bob. Spot 30 is your winner. So, Bob, please get with me to collect your chorizo. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, August 25th, 9:55 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.